In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Trello Founder HQ board and use the dashboard view. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or refining an existing workflow, this simple setup will give you a clear, executive-level view of everything that matters without getting lost in endless projects. Start by creating a single, high-level board. Think of it as your command center. Click to create a new board and name it something like Founder HQ or CEO Dashboard so it's immediately recognizable. On this board, we'll add a few focused lists based on the metrics and priorities you care about most. First, create a hot list. This is where your urgent, top priority tasks for the day live. Keep it tight and review it daily so it truly reflects what must move now. Next, add a company goals list. Use this space for high-level milestones, things like a product launch, revenue targets, or marketing KPIs. Each card represents a goal, and you can attach checklists or due dates to track progress at a glance. Then add a finance list. This is perfect for tracking monthly recurring revenue or daily targets. Even a single card per month with a running checklist works great. Finally, add an up next or backlog list for projects waiting in the queue. When you're ready to focus, drag a card from backlog into your hot list so your priorities are always visible. As you build, add labels for categories, assign members to clarify ownership, and set due dates so your board becomes your living source of truth. Now let's turn that board into actionable insights using Trello's native dashboard view. On your Founder HQ board, head to the top left menu and click Customize View, then select Dashboard. This unlocks a visual reporting layer that helps you spot trends and bottlenecks fast. Add widgets like pie charts, bar graphs, or number counters. Start with cards per member to see workload distribution across your team. If one person's slice is consistently huge, you'll know it's time to rebalance. Add cards per label to understand where your effort is going, product, marketing, operations, so you can align work with strategy. Finally, include widgets for overdue and upcoming deadlines. This keeps timelines front and center and helps you stay proactive. Don't forget, you can filter the dashboard by member, label, or due date range to answer specific questions in seconds. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.